Welcome to our video. Today, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube on Android Auto in any car in 2025. A lot of creators still tell you it's impossible, but that's outdated. The truth is, you've got two working methods right now. First is using Car Stream or Formata Auto, which you can sideload with the Android Auto apps downloader. Once installed, YouTube runs right inside Android Auto. The second way is with an Android Auto AI box like AutoCast or Carsify. These plug into your car, create a full Android system, and let you download YouTube directly from the Play Store. If you don't see it working, chances are your Android Auto or head unit just needs an update. And that's it. Two real ways to stream YouTube on Android Auto in any car this year. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more smart tutorials.